Tonight I am making chili verde, my way. I'm Tess, and come join me in my kitchen while I make this easy and comforting green chili meal. I am making my version of chili verde or green chili. Typically in Mexican cuisine, pork is used to make chili verde, but tonight I am using beef. I have about 2 pounds of cubed beef, and I am using a chuck roast. I'm sprinkling with some flour, salt, and black pepper, mixing until the beef is completely coated. In a pan on medium heat, I'm adding in a little oil and the beef, spreading out and cooking for 4 to 5 minutes or until the beef is browned and no longer pink. Don't worry about all the coating and tidbits on the bottom of the pan. We will pick that up when we add in the liquids. Now for the vegetables. I have some diced onions, bell peppers, and I'm also adding in a seeded jalapeno for a little heat, cooking and stirring for a couple minutes. Adding in some minced garlic, chili powder, oregano, smoked paprika, and cumin, giving everything a good toss to get those spices dispersed and the meat coated, cooking and stirring for 30 seconds, and then I'm adding in some liquids. I'm pouring in some beef broth, and you can use chicken broth. In goes a bay leaf, and I'm turning up my heat to a medium-high to bring this up to a simmer. Adding in some salsa verde and a small can of green enchilada sauce, giving everything a good stir. Salsa verde is used in Mexican cooking. It is a salsa made with tomatillos, chili peppers, onions, garlic, and lots of other goodies. I'm cheating tonight and using a jarred salsa verde, but it is great if you have the time to make your own. I'm adding in a little more broth as this looks a little thick to me. Bringing this up to a simmer, covering and cooking for an hour and occasionally stirring. It's been an hour and the kitchen is really smelling good. Serving tonight with some white rice, topped with some grated cheddar cheese, and a side of tortilla chips. This beef chili verde is rich, comforting, and full of flavor. I hope you give my chili verde recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.